Look at that, y'all. Period. I got an idea for you to help me.
The QR code didn't work. I said it's like when we're at the house and we got to do something on the store.
We are in. Get me a photo of them right here. Oh yeah, that is pretty. Brombos. We're now at, that's what I should have brought, the beach. Yeah. That's what I should have brought. What? A water bottle? Yeah. You go take a water. You'll get you something to drink. Go ahead. And I got chips. I don't even think they can see me. No. Yeah. How many drinks left in it? A lot. It's hot, guys. It's super hot. Okay. We got cold burrito. Look at that, y'all. Look how good. I'm excited. Hurry up. Burritos for the beach. Oh shoot. Okay. Do I like bite it or like open? Yeah, bite it. Open it so they can see what's in it. How do I was gonna say bite it so you don't make a mess. Looks like it's gonna make a mess. You sure? It's chicken. It's not ground beef. Look at that, y'all. Period, y'all. Oh, there we go. It's focused. Yeah, got me. Oh, we got wet. Oh, we got wet.